Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your cost basis using Sharesight beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your cost basis using Sharesight, start by logging into your Sharesight account. Once logged in, navigate to the portfolio you wish to review. On the portfolio page, locate the Holdings tab at the top of the screen. Click on the Holdings tab to display all the assets in your portfolio. Find the specific asset for which you want to verify the cost basis. Once you locate the asset, click on its name to open the detailed view. In the detailed view, look for the section labeled Transactions. This section lists all transactions associated with that asset. Verify the cost basis by checking the purchase transactions in this section. Ensure that the purchase dates and amounts are correct. If you have multiple purchases, confirm that they are all accounted for. Next, scroll down to the cost basis section of the assets details. This area will display your total cost basis as well as any gains or losses. If there are discrepancies, return to the transactions section. You can edit or add transactions if necessary to correct your cost basis. Remember to save any changes you make to your transactions. After verifying and adjusting your cost basis, review the summary data for accuracy. Finally, you can generate reports to visualize your cost basis over time. This will help you understand your investment performance more clearly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.